In June, for the second consecutive month, we saw an increase in global manufacturing driven by jump in demand across the Asian markets. Through the GEP Supply Chain Volatility Index, which is a leading economic indicator, we are tracking demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand. We do this through a monthly survey of more than 27,000 businesses. Also in June, for the fourth month in a row, factory purchasing across Asia increased significantly, driven by manufacturers in China, Taiwan, Vietnam, and in India. In contrast, here in North America, input demand has fallen slightly. We are not overly concerned yet because, on average, North American suppliers have been operating at full capacity since the start of 2024. Notably, we also see an early warning sign of potential overheating of global transportation cost, which rose to their highest level since October 2022 as strengthening activities drove shipping and container rates significantly higher. If the Asian manufacturers' growth is sustained into the second half of the year, we do expect a return to increasing cost and price pressures for the global companies. In summary, this will be a good time for all procurement leaders to lock in pricing and key terms with their suppliers for 2025 and beyond. For more insights, go to gep.com/volatility to download the full report. I'm Amol Jawale, Vice President Consulting with GEP.